Whether you're short on storage space or need something easy to take on the go, we've got a folding e-bike that'll make your rides smoother, faster, and way more efficient. In today's roundup, we're counting down the top 5 best folding e-bikes of the year, carefully selected for performance, portability, and overall value. You'll find all the product links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks. All right, let's get started. Number 1. VARUN 65 plus miles a bike. Meet the VARUN Peak, your new urban trailblazer. Under the sleek frame sits a 1,000-watt peak brushless motor, so you'll effortlessly hit up to 25 miles per hour and steam up hills like they're nothing. 4 ride modes let you pick your vibe: pure electric, throttle, pedal assist, or cruise. It's practically built for every mood. That beefy 48V, 13-hour removable battery pushes you up to 60 miles on pedal assist. And with the built-in battery management system, you won't worry about overcharge or overheating. It's locked down tight. Pop it off to charge in just 4 to 6 hours, then you're back on the road. Comfort? Check. Full suspension forks and shock-absorbing rear springs smooth out bumps, and a plush ergonomic saddle keeps you fresh on longer rides. Those fat 20 inches by 4 inches puncture-resistant tires tackle sand, snow, gravel, or dirt, no sweat. Dual disc brakes bring you to a pinpoint stop, rain or shine. In short, if you want power, range, and off-road chops without sacrificing daily ride practicality, the VARUN Peak deserves a spot in your garage. Number 2. VARUN 750W e-bike. Next up is the slightly more compact sibling, the VARUN 750W Peak. Don't let the 750W tag fool you. This bike's 500W motor belts out 20 miles per hour and tucks neatly into tight city spaces once folded. The 48V, 374.4 Wh battery reliably delivers about 45 miles of pedal assist range, and it tops off in only 4 to 5 hours. 3 ride modes, pure electric, sport, or assist, mean you dial in just the right amount of oomph. And with the smooth 7-speed gearing, hills feel more like bumps. What really shines here is the fold-and-go factor. The high-carbon steel frame is surprisingly light, and once folded it's a breeze on trains, buses, or in compact closets. LED display, puncture-resistant 20 tires, and crisp disc brakes round out the package. If you're a commuter with limited storage, or someone who wants a backup ride for road trips, this VARUN hits the sweet spot of power, portability, and reliability. Number 3. VARUN 21 speed gears. Stepping into our third pick, we've got the classic VARUN Folding Electric. It packs a 500W motor that peaks at 750W, meaning you'll cruise confidently up to 20 miles per hour. The high-carbon steel frame strikes a fine balance between sturdy and manageable, folding in seconds for easy stashing. Battery life clocks in at up to 50 miles on pedal assist, 48V, 374.4 Wh, with a quick 4 to 5 hour charge cycle. The IPX4 waterproof rating keeps light showers at bay, and the built-in BMS safeguards battery health for the long haul. Where this one takes things up a notch is in its 21-speed gear system. From flat pavements to gentle hills, you fine-tune your effort in 3 riding modes: electric, pedal assist, or sport. Add dual hydraulic suspension forks for silky shock absorption, and you've got a smooth but zippy ride. Dual disc brakes deliver instant, reliable stopping power, no drama. A bright LED headlight, a clear LCD panel, and puncture-resistant tires round things out. If you crave a foldable that's equally at home on city streets and light off-road trails, this VARUN folding model has you covered. Number 4. TT EBIKE 2000W EBIKE. Ready to go beast mode? The TT EBIKE Folding Electric is a powerhouse. Dual motors belt out a staggering 5000W peak, so you'll rock it up to 40 miles per hour and climb slopes up to 40 degrees with swagger. That dual 52V, 28Ah battery combo is no joke. Depending on how hard you ride, you'll see anywhere from 26 to 70 miles of range. And even with those monster specs, it folds down for surprisingly compact storage. The sturdy 6061 aluminum frame, dual front suspension, and rear shocks along with 26x4 fat tires absorb the nastiest bumps. Think rocky trails, deep sand, and snow. Shimano's 7-speed gearing fine-tunes your cadence, while dual disc brakes give you immediate, confidence-inspiring stops, even at high speeds. Night owls rejoice. A 600-lumen LED headlight and rear tail light keep you visible. And the LCD display shows your speed, battery, and mileage in real time. Built for riders over 5'7", with adjustable seat post. It's perfect for taller adventurers who want raw power and true trail taming capability. Number 5. Windone K20 e-bike for adults. Rounding out our list is the Windone Folding Electric, a true do-it-all performer. Its 750W brushless hub motor propels you up to 28 miles per hour in pedal assist or 20 miles per hour in pure electric mode. Tackling 20% gradients? No problem. The 48V13A 624WH UL-certified battery offers solid range, and though it takes 6 to 7 hours to refill, it's built for safety and durability. An IPX5 rating means rain showers won't slow you down. Just avoid torrential downpours. Choose from 4 modes: pure electric, pedal assist, exercise, and cruise control, to perfectly match your route or fitness goals. Puncture-resistant tires, robust dual-disc brakes, and a sturdy folding frame ensure reliable performance and peace of mind. When it gets dark, that bright LED headlight keeps the road ahead crystal clear, and the digital display tracks speed, distance, and battery life. If you want a versatile ride for city streets, bike paths, and light trails, the Windone nails it. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 folding e-bikes of the moment. From commuter-friendly compacts to off-road beasts, there's something here for every rider. If this helped you narrow down your next electric ride, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Don't miss out on our latest tech finds. Check those links in the description for live prices and exclusive deals. Thanks for hanging with Hype Tech Picks. Ride safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.